Palawan, kilala bilang isa sa pinakamagandang destinasyon sa buong mundo. Pero madalas, Corona El Nido lang ang una nating naiisip. Ang hindi alam ng marami, bawat bayan ng Palawan ay may sariling kwento at kakaibang experience. At yan mismo ang layunin ng The Great Palawan Experience Project ng Palawan Tourism Council. Ipakita na from north to south, bawat stop sa Palawan is worth the trip.
We're going through all of the municipalities in and around Palawan, and we're here because we want to focus on inclusive tourism, not just sustainable, but inclusive tourism, wherein every municipality, every area has a chance to showcase what is great about them and what is the best about them. So we'd like to invite everyone to try out our Palawan expedition.
Kasama natin ang Pampanga Press Club member at content creator ng KapampanganTraveller na si Darren Guiwan na tumuklas sa ganda ng bawat bayan.
Hello! Kayak Adventure is on!
Unang stop, Taytay. Para kang nasa cinematic scene habang nagsuswim sa secret lagoon ng Pavilion Islands. Bonus pa ang historical vibes ng Fort Santa Isabel at adventure sa Lake Mang Uaw kung saan pwede kang mag-trek, mag-view deck o mag-boat ride. Next, San Vicente. Dito mo makikita ang bato ni Ningning viewpoints na pang wallpaper ang ganda. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang world-famous Long Beach. Picture this, endless stretch ng white sand with a perfect golden sunset. Kung island hopping ang trip mo, Johnson Twin Sandbar sa Rojas is a must. At para sa nature lovers, freshen up sa New Rizal Falls. Aborlan naman ang heaven para sa coffee lovers. Sa Rooted Cafe, pwede kang mag-coffee and cocoa farm tour. At syempre, tikman ang freshly ground coffee straight from the source. Hindi lang basta kape, kundi authentic farm-to-cup experience. Sa Nara, Estrella Falls is waiting for that ultimate chasing waterfalls vibe. Malamig na tubig, surrounded by lush greenery. Culture stop naman sa Brooks Point. Oring-oring mat weaving showcases local craftsmanship. Dito ka makakabili ng handmade mats na tunay na obra maestra ng mga lokal. Fun detour sa Batarasa, the Pineapple Museum and Park. Instagrammable at educational in one. Kung gusto mo ng off-grid adventure, Balabak is the ultimate goal. Tatak Balabak camping and glamping plus Onok Island's crystal clear waters, parang private paradise na pang-travel goals. Sa Rizal, chill mode with adventure at Candice River. Swim, kayak, or just rent a day by the river. Simple, serene, pero unforgettable. Quezon brings you history with a touch of art. Visit the National Museum branch dito at explore ang 4 na galleries na puno ng kwento ng bayan. Sa Busuanga, once-in-a-lifetime experience ang dugong watching tour sa Kalawit Island. At kung gusto mo ng wild adventure, Black Island offers island hopping, shipwreck, diving, and caving. And of course, Puerto Princesa, home of the world-famous underground river. May Tagkuriring Falls pa for ecotourism lovers, Honda Bay Island hopping with snorkeling, and the magical Iwahig River firefly watching at night. Back in Coron, hindi lang lagoons kundi full-on farm-to-table dining sa Coron Natural Farms, bird watching sa Kingfisher Park, and eco-adventure spots na may iconic giant web at giant hammock. Siyempre, mangrove lagoon kayaking para sa nature feels. El Nido, still a stunner. Pero may bagong twist, canopy walking sa Via Verata At, of course, classic island hopping sa Big Lagoon. Para kay Darren Guiwan ng Kapampangan Traveller, bawat bayan ng Palawan ay parang bagong chapter sa isang epic travel storybook. At para sa atin, isang paalala, huwag lang tayong mag-stop sa Coron o El Nido because the true magic of Palawan lies in every town, every story, every experience. This is the Great Palawan Experience. Tara, let's explore Palawan! This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.